Come with us to the rainiest day at the zoo. Washingtonians don't actually own umbrellas, which is why we had to buy all of these really colorful umbrellas at the gift shop, because it was a little too wet, especially with babies involved. Only in Washington do you come see the bears at the rainiest day ever. A ver si están los leones. You get stuff for the rain. No, mine are fine.
What do you guys got now? Oh, the giraffe. All right, stay there.
They just keep moving.
Is there any animals?
We're like inside the cover area by the lion.
Here, kitty kitty.
Okay.
Oh, see, she's smart. She brings rain boots. It's Kimba.
Oh, yeah.
Zoom in.
I already did.
Here, man.
What? Is that a hippo?
Don't block, don't block.
What is it? Is it a rhino or a hippo? Whoa. What?
They're so close.
Aww. You can go down if you want to. I can stay with him. They're so big. Aww.
Whoa!
They're like cuddling. And they're coming out to say hi.
What did she say?
She said no. Hey, friend. Yeah.
When you see the little lettuce that's hanging.
Mm-hmm. Hi, buddy.
Oh, look.
He's big.
Big birdies.
Mr. Parrot, Mom. Hi, Mr. Parrot. Mr.
Aw, he said hi. Oh, it's cute. Oh my goodness, it's a baby. Babies. Oh my goodness, so cute. It's a sloth bear. Hi, puppy. Abuelo?
Jaguar.
Aww, pretty.
Black labs.
Oh, so beautiful. This
They're your little cousins.
babies. Well, they kind of look like babies. Oh, they look so cute.
Oh yeah.
Baby!
Wow, look at these babies right here.
Look at the baby.
Layla.
Ay, qué bonito. Romy, ¿qué es? ¿Es un baby?
It's a baby gorilla.
Ya está enojado y dice, ¿ves el cochinero que hicieron? Y se ponen a limpiar.
That's the leader of the group. I think that's the mom.
Es aquel que está allá, pues, el mero grandote de ese, ¿no? That one.
It might be the mom.
Yeah, I'm scared.
Un burrito.
So cute. Aw.
Wow.
Wow, the big rabbit.
Drop on.
What is he doing? Boo boo, that's not a boo boo. Es un conejo. Moo? Romy.
Look at Romy's face.
Romy, es una vaca, la vaca Lula. Vaca Lula.
Where's his jacket?
That's not a vaca, it's a boar. Es un cochito. Romy.
Science.
Science. Do you like the animals, puppy? Then I would go rescue Romy. ¿Qué es eso, Romy?
Don't you see that though?
Yeah.
Like they're like all pointing to one direction.
That's where the freaking stripes start.
¿Qué es? Mamá. ¿Qué? ¿Dónde está la cebra? ¿Dónde está?
Look at that.
If it is, it's probably gonna be like $40.
It's okay. Give some to Romy. ¿Quieres churro? Mmm, yummy. Your hair doesn't look too bad. It's just frizzy. Which one are you gonna go on? Hey, puppy. Romy. Bye. Hi, Papa. Hi, puppy. So cute. We earned those birria tacos. After a long day at the zoo, trying to keep warm and having fun with the kids, we came home to some delicious food and some family time. Romy really likes playing with his little cousins. This is when he was first learning to walk, so he was still stumbling around.